Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Kylie Cosmetics, the concealers. I ordered them about 2 weeks ago, just got them in the mail about a week ago, but I've been busy so I haven't been able to record. But I love the packaging that it came in, very cute. It came with like a little handwritten letter from Kylie. It's not actually handwritten, but you know what I mean. These are the concealers. I bought two because on the website there are so many colors and I didn't want to order one and not match and then have to order another one. So I ordered two. The only problem is when you're trying to color match yourself on the internet, it's a little bit more difficult to pick your color, so you really have to read the descriptions. What I did first is I went on YouTube and I tried to find people that were close to my skin tone and see what colors they had ordered to give me a better idea of what color I should have been ordering. I ended up going with the chai and the buttermilk. The packaging is really cute. I swatched them on my hand yesterday. I really don't think that these are gonna work for me. I think one is too dark and the other has the wrong undertone. The one that they sent me, the buttermilk, I don't know if I can pick it up on camera, but the colors are starting to separate as if it went bad. I am gonna go online and check the expiration date on these because on the bottom it says it's good for 12 months, but who knows how long it's been sitting in the warehouse. And when I shake it, the colors still aren't mixing together. It's just like a swirly mess. This one here is the chai, and then this one here is the buttermilk. So they are pretty similar. One's darker than the other. I feel like they look a little bit pink to me. On the website, they describe them with a yellow undertone. And buttermilk is described as a yellow beige with yellow undertones for tan skin. And then for chai, it says chai is a toasted peach with peach undertones for tan skin tones. So that was my fault. I did not read the description right, I guess, because had I known that, I wouldn't have ordered the chai because I definitely don't have pink undertones. So my bad on that. Damn, that was my fault. So what's really disappointing about Kylie Cosmetics is you cannot do any returns and you cannot do any exchanges. So the return thing I can understand, but exchanges, like, how is someone supposed to color match themselves online and get the right shade? Like, sometimes it takes a couple times, so that is disappointing, being that Kylie cares about her fans so much and she is worth so much money. You think she would invest in being able to make exchanges or returns. So I definitely don't think I'll order from her again. So obviously I'm not even gonna try the chai on my face because one, it's too dark, and two, it does not have the right undertone. So this is what it looks like on the hand. It doesn't look as pink on camera, but it is pulling really pink in person. So I'm not even gonna bother with that. It's actually darker than my foundation. So that's the buttermilk. This one may work for me. I think we should be good, but you can see the difference next to each other, how this is very yellow and this one does have that pinky undertone. So unfortunately, I was not able to find a cosmetic calculator that can tell me if these are expired or not. I like the applicator because it is so flexible and it's nice and tiny. So if you're someone that contours your nose, you can make that sharp line. I'm not liking the consistency. It feels very thin. I like a thicker concealer. The color doesn't seem too bad. I mean, it's covering nice, even though it does feel like a thinner formula. And I like to apply my concealer with my fingers because my fingers are nice and warm, so it really melts down the product and pushes it into the skin so that it looks more natural. And then I usually take a beauty blender and blend that in, but I lost my beauty blender because I took it to work with me and it didn't make it home, so we're just working with our fingers today. The color isn't bad. I mean, it's very similar to my foundation shade, so I don't think it's really gonna give me much of like a highlight, but I could always mix a little bit of my lighter concealer in there and lighten it just a bit. This will probably work for me in the summertime because it will be lighter and it will give me more of a highlight. I'm going in with my It Cosmetics concealer brush. It's called the Airbrush Blurring Concealer number 103. And I'm just gonna buff that in. See what I mean though, how it's not light enough, so it's kind of just like there. It has good coverage. I feel like I'm never gonna find a concealer that I like more than Shape Tape. I guess it looks lighter on camera, just a hair, but in person, like, you can't even tell that it's highlighted. I have my beauty blender. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush and blend those edges where the concealer and the foundation meet. And of course, I'm going to set my under eye with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. It's translucent. If you don't remember me talking about this product, it does have hyaluronic acid and coconut water. This is so hard to do without my beauty blender. It's literally getting everywhere. Whoops. And I'm just gonna dust the extra off with this big fluffy guy. This is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Powder Brush, and this is part of the Velvet collection. This concealer is creasing on me. However, I am very dehydrated right now because I had an x-ray yesterday and they had me drink this stuff that makes you pretty dehydrated for 48 hours. And I definitely have not been drinking enough water. So I really shouldn't judge the formula about how it creases at this time. So maybe I'll wear it again and see how it wears. I mean, it looks good. It's not as light as I would like it to be. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Halo Powder. I use the medium dark. This is actually a foundation powder, but I like it to contour, and I'm gonna be using my F102 brush by Urban Decay. It's the large powder. So you can use this brush with powder or liquid. My friend, she calls it the Lazy Girl Contour Brush. And I like it because it's the same width that your contour should be. So it's super quick, super easy. And I like the little dial on the inside so that you don't have loose powder falling everywhere. You just turn it when you want some, and then it grinds the powder, and you use what you need. Obviously it's gonna last me quite some time because I'm using it to contour and not as a foundation. So typically if I'm just gonna run errands or I don't feel like doing a full face, I will just do my foundation, concealer, contour a little bit, fill my brows in, put some mascara on, and probably do a gloss. Sometimes I'll do just a very nude lip. I'm gonna go in with the Julep Boosting Bamboo Mascara. I've never used this mascara before. I love the packaging, it's super cute. It says here that this is 3 times more length and thickness on bare lashes. 100% saw a measurable increase in lash fullness. This is not waterproof, which I like. I have the Jet Black. At the top of this mascara, you can see there are little arrows. So if you turn it one way, it'll shorten the brush. If you turn it the other, it'll give it length. If you want more volume, you're gonna shrink it down to its smallest size. And if you want to add length, you're going to extend it. Let's see. I'm gonna go for length first. I like the formula. It's not very thick. It spreads really nice on the lashes. The brush is a silicone brush, so it's almost like a comb for your eyelashes so that you don't have clump. Oh, I got some on my face. I always get mascara on my face. Like, it never fails. I can see a difference. So far, so good. So now I'm gonna shorten it for volume. Seriously, again, I like this mascara a lot. This is a winner. You guys know that the Tarte mascara, the Tartist, is my favorite mascara, but I think I just found a new one because this stuff is amazing. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm pretty sure you can purchase Julep at Ulta or on their official website. I don't know where else they carry it. I like this mascara a lot. Look how pretty. I just need to get this damn mascara off my face. Influenster was nice enough to send me this Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. This little box is so cute. So if you're not familiar with what Influenster is, it's an app, and what you do is you make your account, you have a little profile picture, and you give reviews on different products. So since I am into makeup, I do a lot of product review on cosmetics. There are different topics, and basically when you give so many reviews, it enters you to be in different Vox boxes. These Vox boxes contain different items that they want you to try out and then review. So there are different topics. There is, you know, just your general information, sports, bonus snaps, alcohol and liquor, skincare, makeup, food and beverages, shopping, personal finance, nails, hair care, home care, health and fitness, bath and body, and travel, and also pets. So when you keep reviewing these products, they send you things that you're interested in so that you can try them, review them, and go from there. The product is free. It's free to sign up. As long as you give your review and do what is asked of you, whatever comes in the box, they'll email you instructions and tell you what you need to do. Then you can continue to get those boxes. I will put my link down below so that if you are interested, you can click on that link and make an account and start earning some points so you can get a box. Obviously in my box, I have the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. And look how cute. And they sent me a full size, so this isn't like a little sample, it's a full size lipstick. And they sent me the bow and arrow, which I'm so excited about because it's a nice nude color, and I'm very into my nudes and browns. It has a little bit of like a pinky undertone, so it's more of like a pink nude. This is definitely like a good everyday color. I mean, I get it. It says that it's a lip cream, and it is kind of creamy, but lightweight is matte. I think I would like it better with my lip liner from Urban Decay, the Conspiracy. So let's do a quick rundown of how I feel about the Kylie Cosmetics. So the packaging I really do like. Will I buy again from Kylie Cosmetics? Probably not, because again, if I don't like the product, I can't return it, I can't exchange it, and I'm stuck with it. For how much money Kylie makes and how much her fans support her, you think that she would go above and beyond and let us return and let us do exchanges. The formula isn't as thick as I would like it to be. I love the Shape Tape Concealer. That has really spoiled me. So I have tried a lot of concealers and not really love them because I love how thick that is. The formula I'm not a fan of, but it blends really well and it moves really nice. So if you're someone that likes light coverage or medium coverage, then you'll love this formula. The color range for the concealers is very wide. So I'm sure she makes the color for everyone. I just happened to order the wrong shade for myself. I definitely wish I would have gone a little bit lighter. The applicator, I will say, is amazing. It's like a lip gloss applicator. So it bends and moves nice, and you can define your face a little bit more with this. I think this would be great to shape my brows. I'll probably use it for that so that I'm not wasting it. I think around like maybe $10 to $15 would be a good range for this concealer. Hopefully I was able to give you enough information about this concealer, and I don't want to turn anyone away from trying it. If you feel like you like a light to medium coverage, then go for it. This might be something that you want to order, but just know, do your research and watch videos of people that are close to your complexion so you know what color to order, because once you have it, you're stuck with it. Definitely go out and get that mascara. It is amazing. I'm very happy with how the mascara went on, and this lip color is great as well. Make sure you download the Influenster app. I will put the link down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Down below, don't forget to subscribe.